Well, so Ninjago Land has a snack bar too, and I heard they have some really awesome chocolate ninja mix recipe. So we're gonna try and make it our own, and we're gonna make it into a math problem. So if you read our recipe here, it says that to make chocolate ninja mix, we need 1.5 cups of Chex Mix, half a cup of milk chocolate chips, 1/3 cup of peanuts, and 4/8 cup of white chocolate chips. Now, over here in this red box, it says this recipe will only serve 2 people. You need to change the recipe so it will make enough to serve 8 people. So, in this yellow box here, it kind of gives you the directions for the next couple of slides. It says use the fraction pieces on each slide to model the problem. Type your equation and answer in the box on each slide. So, if I click down to my next slide, it says how many cups of Chex Mix will you need? Now, remember, it's not just the 1/2 cups, 1.5 cups. It's two of the, or well, we actually need 8. So we need to multiply that by 4. So if I know, so if you have a piece of paper out, it might be helpful. If I know that 1.5 can feed 2 people, and then I have to add 1.5 plus another 1.5, I know that 2 halves make a whole. And then I have 3 wholes. So 3 wholes would feed 4 people. I'm thinking about what I know about 4 and 8, and I know that if I multiply 4 by 2, I would get 8. So I'm just going to take this number and multiply it by 2 because that's all I would need to do to 4 to make it so that there's 8 people. So I would need 6 cups of Chex Mix for 8 people. So you're going to click and drag to show you an example. All of these have multiple squares on top of it. So how many cups of Chex Mix would you need? So you're going to drag the pieces down here. So I might do this. So that's 1.5. And then I might add, I hit the text box button. I'm going to add that I had to multiply it by 4 in order to get my answer. So if I did that, I would do that shows 1.5 times 4. I need to make 4 times as many servings. So I'm going to make it really big so you guys can see it. And then down here is where you put your answer. So you put your answer, which would be I will need 6 cups of Chex Mix. So that's going to be the kind of problems that you're going to do. Same thing on this one. How many cups of chocolate chips will you need? Now to go back to the original slide to see how many chocolate chips there are, remember, we need to make 4 times as much as this recipe on the screen says. So everything that you're doing, you need to multiply it by 4 in order to get the correct total. So you have 3 more problems for solving to see how much we need for 8 people. If you have any questions or if something's not opening or if something can't drag, let me know and I'll help you out.